The minivan. For decades, it has been the default choice for families. Practical, spacious, reliable. But let's be honest, it's also about as exciting as a wet weekend in Swindon. The kids might be happy in the back, but for the driver, it's a soul-crushing experience. It's time for a change. It's time for the minivan to face its successor. Enter the Hyptec HL, the electric SUV that's here to banish minivan misery. This isn't just a car, it's a statement. It says, yes, I have a family, but I haven't given up on life. It's sleek, it's stylish, and it's packed with more tech than a Silicon Valley startup. The Hyptec HL is here to prove that family transport doesn't have to be dull. The first hurdle any minivan replacement has to overcome is space. And the Hyptec HL laughs in the face of this challenge. With seating for 7, a cavernous boot, and more storage compartments than you can shake a stick at, it can handle even the most demanding family adventures. Fold the seats flat and you've got yourself a van rivaling cargo space. Forget about sluggish acceleration and pathetic fuel economy. The Hyptec HL packs an electric punch that will leave you grinning like a child. Instant torque means you'll be first off the line at the school run, and with a range that'll shame most electric cars, range anxiety is a thing of the past. This is electric power that works for families. Section 5, safety first, second, and third. When it comes to your family, safety is paramount. That's why the Hyptec HL is loaded with advanced safety features as standard. From automatic emergency braking to lane departure warning, it's got you covered. And with a 5-star safety rating, you can rest assured that your precious cargo is in safe hands. Section 6, the tech-savvy family cruiser. The Hyptec HL isn't just about practicality, it's about enhancing your driving experience. A massive touchscreen infotainment system keeps you connected, while a premium sound system transforms every journey into a concert on wheels. And for the kids, rear seat entertainment screens will keep them quiet, hopefully for hours on end. Section 7. Sustainability without compromise. In a world increasingly focused on sustainability, the Hyptec HL allows you to shrink your carbon footprint without sacrificing style or practicality. Embrace the future of driving, knowing that you're doing your part for the planet. Section 8. Embracing the electric revolution. The switch to electric might seem daunting, but the Hyptec HL makes it a joy. With its user-friendly charging options and impressive range, you'll wonder why you didn't make the switch sooner. Section 9. The future of family transportation. The Hyptec HL isn't just a car, it's a glimpse into the future of family transportation. It's a future where practicality meets performance, where sustainability meets style. It's time to ditch the minivan and embrace the electric revolution. To see the Hyptec HL in action, click the link below.